You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a real life clean with me video. I have a ton of messes around my house that I need to get picked up, and my room's back in order, and then I have a ton of dishes, and I have a load going in the dishwasher, and then I need to hand wash a whole bunch. So if you have a whole bunch of stuff that you need to get done in your house, hopefully this gives you a little bit of motivation to get up and get going. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get into it.
Yesterday we could be ourselves, didn't have much but nevertheless we were true to each other, but now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful.
Okay, so the first room that I'm going to start in is my living room. After I picked up all the stuff that doesn't belong in my living room, I started to dust, and I am trying to make it a habit to start dusting my ceiling fan a lot more. I've been turning it on a lot more because it's been getting a little warmer outside. So I've just been turning it on whenever I'm cleaning or we're doing something around the house. So I want to make sure that it's super clean and no dust is flying around. So I'm just going to go around the living room, dust everything, and vacuum and mop, and then we should be good to go in this room.
I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not have. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not have. We do not. I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. I know we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't want. Chasing all that we do not have. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not have. Chasing all that we don't want. Chasing all that we do not have. All the way back home. Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low. Went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be. So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me down. Promise you.
Here I'm just taking the magic eraser and I'm going through and just wiping it and cleaning it all. There were some marks on the wall, I guess, that my kids had put, or book bags drug across the, the wall and things like that. So I was just getting all that cleaned up and just using a magic eraser. Those work wonders on your walls if you have any marks that you don't want there or don't belong there. So after I did that, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the hall by mopping, and then we'll be done with this area of the house.
So if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. Oh, no. Met you at a time when
Now I'm going to go ahead and move to my bathroom. I had the normal things to take care of in here, like cleaning the countertops, putting away the hair dryer, straightener, all that kind of things. And then I'm going to wipe everything down, clean the toilet, vacuum and mop, and then we'll be done in here. I didn't get around to hanging up any towels in here because I had a load of towels going in the dryer and they weren't quite done yet, so I didn't get to hang them up. But after they dry, my plan is to put all the towels where they go and the extra hand towels on my shelf. So once that gets done in the dryer, I'll be able to do that, but I wasn't able to film it. Okay, so now I'm heading into the kitchen. This is where the majority of the mess was. We had been cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All of our dishes were dirty, so I needed to get them all done. Normally, I load my dishwasher, wait until that load is done, and then load what's left in the sink, but I didn't want to do that today because I wanted to make sure all of our dishes were ready to go for the week coming up, and we had a busy weekend, so I wanted to just put load in the dishwasher and then just hand wash every single thing that we had out, so we didn't need anything and there wasn't a whole bunch of dirty dishes around. I don't normally do that. I just normally wait, but today I just wanted a nice clean kitchen. While I was at it, I really wanted to get underneath my sink a little bit more organized. It doesn't look too different after after I organized and put everything away, but I vacuumed everything out. I wiped everything down. I got rid of the empties that were in there and organized it a little bit better. But it was just driving me crazy because I was using things and just throwing it in there, and then some of the bottles were empty. So I just wanted to get it all cleaned up and organized a little better.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and tackle these dishes. It really stinks because I had ran out of the power wash, the Dawn power wash spray that I normally use, but I wrote it on my list so the next time I go to the store I can stock back up on it. If you haven't tried that stuff, you guys definitely need to try it because it's really good, especially if like you cook something in a pan and then you let it sit for a little bit. You just spray that stuff, spray it on there, let it sit for a little bit, and then just scrub it and then rinse it out, and it's so easy. There's like minimal work that you have to put into it. It's the best stuff ever.
Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly, no, 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 cutting my ties with you that I'm done, but I'm not done. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were thing you said was listen. I will have your back always. And now we're grown up. I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden the day when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then, so scared that I would lose you. But you call me up right.
Okay, so now that I'm done with all of those dishes, I'm going to give my sink a really good cleaning, and then I'm going to vacuum and mop, and then my kitchen will be wrapped up and all done. I just have to wait for the dishes to dry because I do not want to hand dry them all.
I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. I know where we belong. My own safety zone. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. My own safety zone. I know where we belong. My own safety zone. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. My own safety zone. Solid like a granite.
Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it gave you a little bit of motivation to get up, get going, get your to-dos checked off, and get your house back in order for the week or for the weekend whenever you're watching this. But if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And I will see you guys on Thursday.